Hi everyone. Here we are at weeks 13 and 14 of applying philosophy to modern global issues. I hope that you all are excited about the prospect of bringing the course to a stunning conclusion by producing a final project which brings to bear many of the ethical ideas we've studied this semester on a topic about which you feel passionate. Your heartbreak maps were full of great ideas for potential topics: bullying, racism, homophobia, women's rights, climate change, refugee relief, immigration, illiteracy, teen suicide, and homelessness. You can do this project on any topic that you like. It would be neat if you could find a classmate with similar interests to collaborate with on creating a presentation. The trick to doing a great final project involves framing your issue in a way that enables you to investigate its moral complexity. For instance, many of you are thinking of doing a project on women's rights. Earlier this month, the UN held an International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. To consider the moral complexity of this issue, you might consider the obstacles to achieving equality for women. How do traditional societies justify relegating women to a secondary place? It will be easy for you to convince your classmates of the rightness of your cause, but real change will only take place if you convince the oppressors of women in cultures around the world to change their ways. Many of you are also thinking about doing a project on racism. The debate about policing strategies in America continues to rage. Yesterday, there was a demonstration in Chicago protesting the brutal slaying of another young black man at the hands of a policeman. To cut to the heart of the philosophical issues at play, you might consider the dilemma facing law enforcement. Police are asked to control high crime areas in communities across the country where the murder rate has spiked, even as the movement to rein in police brutality has grown. Releasing convicted criminals from prison may even contribute to the problem of violence in inner-city neighborhoods. To help you frame your topic so that it addresses a complex moral issue, please engage in a graded discussion this week, in which you list 3 potential topics and then frame each topic in ways which will allow you to apply the ethical theories we have studied in the course. Your contributions to that graded discussion are due by Wednesday, December 2nd. I also want you to make an appointment to speak with me via Skype sometime this week. I might be able to help you frame your project and find some resources which explore all sides of the issue. You need to make an appointment with me by Thursday, December 4th. You need to choose your final topic for this project by Friday, December 5th. The next step will be to review the ethical theories we've studied so far this semester. You'll find a lesson in this module entitled Course Review and Philosophy Resources. Please read it carefully by next Sunday. Then you'll have a whole week to pull together your final presentation. Please try to include the following elements in it. First, find video which you can use to introduce your topic. Second, find print articles to supplement your report and share with your classmates. Find photographs to illustrate your presentation. Do an interview with an expert, a teacher, a local lawyer, a social worker, a politician, historian, or reporter who is an expert in this field and can provide insight into your issue. Instead of trying to fit a whole lot of text onto one slide, video yourself narrating the text and embed your video in the slide. You might even consider it narrating your entire presentation. Next, apply one of the ethical theories we've studied to your judgment of your approach to addressing this issue. Aristotle's virtue theory, Kant's deontology, Mill's utilitarianism, Rawls' theory of justice, Nozick's justification of rights. Make your presentation as effective as possible by applying Aristotle's rhetorical modes: ethos, pathos, and logos. Consider your understanding of human nature as well. Are we more like John Locke's rational creatures, capable of engineering progress? Or are we more like Freud's modern human, driven by instincts which subvert reason itself? And finally, please remember to create a thorough Works Cited page. Please post your final presentation to the project gallery by Sunday, December 13th, and comment on your classmates' projects by Wednesday, December 16th. Do your best work of the semester on this project so that we can conclude the course celebrating your talent, intelligence, and industry. Also, please continue to support each other as you have done throughout the semester by listening carefully to each other's ideas and providing supportive suggestions and praise in response to your classmates' work. That's it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing each of you via Skype this week and following along as you create your projects. See you online.